Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 21. We are going to learn the grid system inside the CSS sections from the Bootstrap 3. Why we are learning Bootstrap 3? Because you have to familiar before starting Bootstrap 4. So that's why we are learning the Bootstrap 3. So we have index.html file, we have a style.css file. Make sure I have a Bootstrap folder inside my E drive. So in the Bootstrap folder we have a Bootstrap setup which has CSS fonts and JS folders, and we have a HTML and CSS file at the root of our Bootstrap. Okay, so now what you need, I'm saying I need to create assets directory, and I'm saying I'm going to create another directory, CSS directory. Why you need to create? Because now you are working professionally, so you have to keep your similar content inside some place or inside a folder. So now you have a CSS file, you have to keep this CSS. Okay, now first of all, just you have to keep the CSS folder, or you have to create the CSS folder inside your assets folder. Okay, inside your assets folder now you have a CSS folder. First of all, inside your assets folder you have to create another folder which is images. So now you can keep your all CSS file inside your CSS. First of all, you have to keep all your images inside your images, so you can drag and drop your images inside your images sections. I'm saying okay, now I'm saying I have to drag this style CSS file inside my CSS folder which we have just created. So now you have two folders, CSS and images, inside the assets folder. So now I am going to create another. Okay, so now I am going to rename this file which we have just created. I'm saying this is index from components. Okay, now what you need to create another file. I'm saying this is the HTML file, and this time I'm saying index. Okay, so now you have an index file. I'm saying Bootstrap 3. Okay, what you need to add your Bootstrap files. First of all, I'm saying link real. I'm saying this is a style sheet, so your browser can verify. I'm saying not style, I'm saying what type. I'm saying type.css. How can you add? I'm saying go to assets folder. I'm saying go to CSS folder. I'm saying add the style file. First of all, now I'm saying make sure you have to embed your Bootstrap setup at the top of your header sections. So I'm saying go to Bootstrap folder. First of all, now I'm saying go to CSS folder. Now I'm saying go to inside the CSS folder you have to add the bootstrap.min.css file. And now I'm saying I'm going to add the script sections. First of all, I'm saying this is the type, so your browser can verify this is a JavaScript file. And now I'm saying go to my Bootstrap folder. Inside my Bootstrap, go to JS folder, and now I'm saying inside the JS folder add the bootstrap.min.js file. Make sure at the top of your Bootstrap you have to add the boot jQuery as well. So where is the jQuery? Okay, so here is your jQuery. You have to add the jQuery at the top of your content. At the below of jQuery you can add your bootstrap.min.js file, and your other JS file goes here. Okay, you can add other JS file below your bootstrap.min.js file. So this is the rules. First of all, now close this bar. We have an index.html file, we have a custom CSS file, so we can customize each and everything from the Bootstrap. Okay, so now go to your component section. Make sure we are working on component sections. And now go to your grid system. Make sure grid system, the grid system is the most important part inside the bootstrap, okay, because bootstrap is necessary. Okay, so bootstrap, what they are saying bootstrap includes a responsive mobile first grid system that appropriate scales up to 12 columns. Make sure every screen consists of 12 columns. First of all, make sure this is my screen. I have 32 inches LED, so this screen consists of 12 columns, and your every screen consists of 12 columns. For suppose if you have a tablet, that means your tablet consists of 12 columns. Don't worry, I'm going to explain each and everything if you if you are facing the problem. So I'm going to explain each and everything. Controller, flat controller. So they are saying inside the documentation, they are saying row must be placed within a container. This is the first rule, and you must place your row, okay, row must be placed within a container, and you must place your columns within a row. Okay, first of all container, then your row, then your column. Okay, so now I'm saying this is my div, and now I'm saying container class, and now I'm going to specify the row. Okay, you can see I'm following the rules. Oh, okay, I'm saying call md12. First of all, go to your directory. Now we have created a new file, index.html. Make sure, because now you can view page source. Now you have container, row, columns, so nothing has happened, because you have to keep all your component. You have to keep your list, label, pages, pagination, breadcrumbs, which you have learned from the component sections inside the column. Make sure. So I'm saying I'm going to create I'm going to class my border width. Okay, I'm saying border 1 pixel solid red. I need to add this border inside here. And now I'm saying height, because we don't have a components or anything. I'm saying height 200 pixels. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see they have predefined width. Whenever you add the container, you can see they have 970 width. Okay, so you can see they have 970 width by 200. We added the 200 height, so that's why it's 200 height. So 970 width by default. First of all, then copy these sections, paste this class here. Now you can see you have the same width. So what's going on? I told you that your screen consists of 12 columns. So whenever you want to add a column, you have to complete the 12 column inside your row. So you have now a so this is your column. So now you have a single column. Make sure I'm saying this is single, but we are adding 12. Okay, so go to your page, refresh the page. So this is your single file first of all, and I'm going to now creating another row. I'm saying this is my second row, and now I'm saying call md4. Go to page, refresh the page. So now I have to add the same row here. So you can see you have your 12 column, you have your 4 column. So this is the single column and inside a single row. Now this is the single column inside a single row, but you have defined that this column is 12. So that's why you have a single column with width 970. Okay, so you can also verify that your single column width is 100%, so that's why it's 100%. So now you can see you have defined the 4 column. You can see you have 4 columns, but in this time it's 33.33333%, so 33% 4 column. Now you can add 3 columns. Now you have inside a single row you have 1, 2, 3 columns as well, but you are saying that this column consists of 4, this column consists of 4, this column consists of 4 class, means that 4 plus 4 plus 4, it's 12. So you have completed the 12 column inside a single row. So that's why we are saying every row consists of 12 columns. Now go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see you have your 4 column, 4 column, 4 column, so it's 12. If you add another column inside your row, you can see now it's this column is pulling down this column because your screen consists of 12 columns, so that's why it's pulling down. Okay, so the rule is you have to complete the 12 series inside a single row. So now you have complete the 12. For suppose here is your first row, here is your second row. Your row must be placed inside the container first of all, and your column must be placed inside the row. Okay, so now I am saying I have to create another row, and now I am saying I have to create, or I'm creating the column for suppose 2. So now what you need, I'm going to add this border. So now okay, I'm saying medium. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to cover because we are using column MD4 class. That means we are saying please add 4 column but medium size. So now I'm saying call MD medium 2. So we have a 2 column. So in this row we can add many columns, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So now you can see we have completed the 12 column inside this row. If you are okay, so now 12 column you have completed. What you need, I'm saying now I'm going to add another row, class row, and now I'm saying I need the columns for suppose call MD8, and I'm saying call MD4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So now you can see you have 12 column. Nothing has happened because you need to add this class. Okay, I'm saying column, refresh. So now you can see you have created 8 column here and 4 column here. So you have completed the 12 digits, or you have completed the 12 column inside a single row. So it's totally depend upon you, either you are creating 8 4 column or 1 column but 12. How can you create 1 column like 12? For suppose I am going to create another row, and now I'm saying I'm just copying this, and now I'm saying this is 1. Okay, so now you have a single column. You can see you have a single column, inspect element. So now you can see a single column consists of width 8.3333%. So, and you have your 8 column consist how 66%. So this is 66%, and now you have a 4th column, this is 33%. So 63 and 33% this is the 99%, and the 333, and this is also 333, this is the 100%. So your column so it's totally depend upon you. You are creating the column 1 2 3 4 5 6. For suppose you have created 6 column inside a single row. You can see you have a 6 column inside a single row, but you have remaining the 6 column here. For suppose now I'm saying I'm creating the column MD6. So now these are 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and plus 6, so it's 12. So now you can see you have 12. You can add this class as well. So you have your 12 column. So you have completed the 12 column inside a single row. So this is the rule they are saying here. You can see 1 1 1 1 1 class, so 1 row, and this is 12 columns. 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4, and you can also create 8 4 column pair. You can also create 4 column pair. You can also create 6 column pair, but it's illegal because you can see we have 1 column here, 2 3 4 5 6. You have created the 6 column 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now you are saying that you are going to create the 8 column. So 6 plus 8, you can see now it's pulling down because it has the remaining 6 column capacity, but you are adding the 8 column, so that's why it's pulling down. So it's illegal. So that's why you need to add proper columns. So the grid system is most important part inside the bootstrap. So I think this is enough for today, and in the next lecture we are going to explain further. We are going to continue the further grid system. Okay, so I think thank you for watching.